My names are Isaac Nandemu, a student in KS TVET from Building and Civil Engineering Department. After undergoing a training session in accidents and first aids in workshop, we are here to demonstrate how to do first aid to a person who has undergone burns in the workshop. Procedure for doing the burns, number one, is you clean the burn area. You clean the burn area gently with running water. After cleaning with running water, you take your bandage and wrap gently the area to avoid contact of germs and dust to the area that you are treating. If there is any blister along the area, don't burst them. Give your patient painkillers at least to relieve him from the pain he is undergoing. Number 4, ensure you don't apply any ointment to the area. Just leave it to dry and heal gradually.